In this video, I'm going to show you how to change board order on Pinterest. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Pinterest application and then right here tap Add Profile icon to open up your profile page. And once you are here, there you can check all your board and let's say I want to change the order of that boards right now, and all I have to do is to hold down at any board to bring up that options, and then I can move my finger to these two arrows icon to move me to reorder boards feature. There I can simply hold down and drag the boards to change its order. The first board will be at the first position, the last will be at the last. Then when you are done with that, just hit on done, and there, as you can see, I have just changed the order of my boards on Pinterest. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.